Welcome, and thanks for taking a couple of minutes for a quick tour of AuctionTrac at work. My name is Amanda, and I'll be your host for the next few minutes. After all, I'm sort of the voice of AuctionTrac, but we'll talk more about that in a bit. For now, I invite you to simply join me as we take a look at AuctionTrac in action. In a nutshell, AuctionTrac is a system that completely embraces the W. Edwards Deming philosophy that what gets measured gets managed. Our main focus is on vehicles at the auction and the people who drive them. Auctions store, move, prepare, and stage thousands of cars every week getting ready for sale day. And then the organized chaos of a live auction takes place and the commotion intensifies even more. AuctionTrac was built from the ground up to capture, monitor, and measure all of this activity, so auction management will have the information necessary to manage things like headcount, efficiency, accountability, vehicle movement logistics, and other factors that have a direct impact on the bottom line profitability of the facility. As you might imagine, this data must be collected in real time, out in the field. We do the biggest part of our data collection using handheld scanners similar to those you might see at a large retailers or warehouse clubs. Each of these powerful devices functions as a barcode scanner, a database, and a GPS unit. Because connectivity can vary from facility to facility, AuctionTrac was designed to be fully self-contained in the field. That is, the device captures and stores all of the information internally without the need for live, always-on network connectivity. When the device is in range of a Wi-Fi connection, the upload of the stored data only takes a few seconds. During the week, AuctionTrac gathers data about all of the lot activity associated with moving vehicles in and out of the shops and into position for sale day. Each van crew uses a scanning device to capture all of the vehicle moves that occur and to create a documented log of the productivity of each crew member. This is all done with a specific focus on maintaining the flow and efficiency of the crew. An AuctionTrac mandate from day one has been that the process of scanning vehicles and drivers will not interfere with or hinder the work of these crews. As vehicles begin the movement from on-spot to becoming part of the queue for the sale, that activity is captured as part of a leave-spot scan. Tracking this event associates the driver with the vehicle for accountability purposes and, in some cases, enables alert notifications that go to interested dealers via SMS or email, letting them know that the vehicle is approaching the block. Here, a member of the scanner crew is scanning vehicles for the nightly lot scan. Using AuctionTrac, scanners are able to hit 300 to 500 vehicles per hour. In general, a crew of 3 to 6 can cover an entire facility in about 4 to 6 hours. As each vehicle is scanned, latitude-longitude coordinates are captured, along with the date timestamp and information about the person using the scanner. In addition, the GPS information is translated into meaningful lot location information, specific to that particular facility, using our unique geofencing algorithm. Looking up vehicle locations is, by far, one of the most used aspects of the AuctionTrac website. To find the pinpoint location of a vehicle, all you need is a web browser and a small piece of information about the car. Searches are typically done using the last 6 characters of the VIN, or the stock number, or run number of the vehicle. Once the criteria is entered, AuctionTrac searches the database and returns a list of all the vehicles that match your criteria. In this list, you see some specific data about the vehicle to help verify that it is the vehicle you have in mind, and you also see a description of the lot location of the vehicle. If you want to see where this lot location is exactly, you need simply to click on the Click for Map link and you'll be taken immediately to a customized aerial map showing the exact location of the vehicle. As you can see on the map here, you'll be shown a polygon that defines the boundaries of the geofence the vehicle is located in, and a bubble showing the more precise location of the vehicle within that location. Below the map, you will notice a detailed log of all the scans performed on that vehicle. In the unlikely event the vehicle is not located where the bubble is positioned on the map, we also have an alert system. Occasionally, as you probably well know, vehicles are moved in an unauthorized manner. I mean, when you have a lot full of thousands of cars that are unlocked with keys in the ignition, every now and again a dealer is going to decide to use one as a personal taxi to get from one part of the lot to another. When this happens, simply click the Create Alert shown here. You will be prompted for your email address or phone number, and the system will automatically notify you via text or email the next time the vehicle is scanned. Because full lot scans are performed 5 nights a week at most facilities, vehicle alerts are usually triggered later the same day they are created. Well, that's AuctionTrac in a nutshell. The system and the concept are on a path of continuous growth and evolution. The field software and the web-based back-end software change on almost a weekly basis as new features, functionality, and reporting requirements are identified and implemented. What never changes, however, is our commitment to improving the product and to finding new ways to boost productivity and add dollars to the bottom line, your bottom line. Thank you for your time, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or ideas.